I know something as simple as washing your hands sounds really ridiculous, but at the end of the day, we need to know that everybody can wash their hands securely, beneficially, so that when we cook, uh-oh, that's my fridge. We don't pass germs on to others, right? So, the key to washing your hands is rolling up your sleeves. You're going to wash from here down. You're going to scrub both of your wrists, right? You're going to rub back and forth. You're going to put your fingers in between your hands. You're going to take your fingernails, go like this, and go like this in your hands while you're with soap and water. You're going to do the same to the others to clean your nails, right? Because we want clean hands and clean nails. You're going to do this while you're washing your hands, right, with soap and water. Then you're going to do this to your thumb. And you're going to do this to your other thumb. Then you're going to wash on top of your hands, right? And your wrist, don't forget. And then you're going to rinse. So first thing we're going to do is check our water temperature. Then we're going to use our soap. I'm just going to use regular dishwashing soap. The lighting in this house is really, really bad. Ow! I have cuts on my hands with my eczema because it peels, and so I'm going to suffer. Okay. My hands are pretty clean, but I'm just going to go through the motions for you. Right? And if you're not sure how long, run everything once, and then do it again to the happy birthday song. So happy birthday twice, right? The first time you sing it, you should have been lathered really good. The second time you sing it, you should be like rinsing. So hold your hands like this so they can drip down. Close the faucet with your elbow and use as many paper towels as necessary to fully dry your hands. Okay? Because we don't want dirty fingernails in our food. Also, I mean, you know, it's COVID. Okay, next step we're going to do is we're going to use this to help us. Because the key to working efficiently, right, is faster work, same amount of work, and, you know, we need to get it done. Okay, you get the idea. I shouldn't have done that. I should wash my hands again because I touched my face. That's rule number 1. Don't touch anything, and if you do touch something, then you have to wash your hands again. So let's go through that process again. Okay, you get the idea. I sang the happy birthday song twice. I'm fully I'm fully drying my hands now. So throw away your thing. Now you're ready to work. So the first thing you're going to do is open the meat, right? I should have scissors ready. Let's see if they're in here. No, they're not. Okay, so we'll have to use a serrated knife. So this is clean. The lighting in here is really bad. I wonder if one of the... Yeah, I think two of the things are out. Okay, obviously use scissors, but I don't have any at hand, so I'm going to use these, okay? I hope that in the end I'm able to edit this and get it out properly. Okay, so there's one. Uh-oh. Yeah, one. And two. You're going to need a cup of breadcrumbs. Shit, that was hard. Oh my god, where are my fucking breadcrumbs? Let's look over the recipe. This is insane.